sathinta sike sawathinta ke ngoloba obunye ubufakazi obudlulile. Manje ke sesiya kule la certificate le salomuntu lo onikezelwe amalungelo. Ibhala ukuthi mina Vusi Sithemba Sibiya ngiyavuma noma ngiyaqinisekisa ukuthi ke ngichazelwe amalungelo wami ngesingisi, ngichazelwa uyena ke uSergeant Mohula, kanti ke futhi ngiyakuzwisisa konke ke lokwangichazele khona. Idate ithi mhla ka-20 unyaka ka-2022 2020 ngoJune nge-1 isikhathi u0030 eThembisa South, then bese wasayina ke phansi lapho uMhulu eceleni kwalawo uMhulu asayine khona kune signature futhi nalapho.
What is your comment?
Ungaphawula uthini?
Lento le engiyibona la ngoba ngisho ngithi mina angiyazi akaze ngizengitshela ngamalungelo ami. Okwesibili mina angisiyena uVusi, angazi ngibe negama loVusi nje empilweni yami. Shuthi lo muntu lo okhuluma la ngoVusi Sithemba Sibiya akakhulumi ngami.
That is amazing there. So that was Moses Sibiya, telling Advocate Baloyi or showing him, that you've made a massive blunder here. I am not a Vusi Sibiya. You've made a mistake there. I am Moses Sibiya. So Moses Sibiya is making it very clear, that his rights were not read to him. And here we are seeing Advocate Baloyi bringing papers with a wrongly spelled name for Moses Sibiya. It's amazing, how Advocate Baloyi can make such a mistake. So instead of Moses Sibiya cracking as he is being questioned by Baloyi, it's actually Baloyi cracking, because you could see him sweating there. So this huge mistake in the name of someone is very, very huge, because you are trying to read the rights of an accused, and their spelling is been spelled wrongly. It raises the question, as to what other blunders did they make? Because I've heard, this being said that if there is one blunder here, there are so many blunders out there. Like if there is one rat out in the open, there are so many under the carpet, under the bed, and this is what we are seeing here. A huge blunder in the spelling of this name. So what implications does this have? It has huge implications, like maybe wrongful arrest, mistaken identity, maybe they then corrected to try and match this guy Moses Sibiya, because they are failing to connect Moses Sibiya to the crime scene here. And what we are seeing here is Moses Sibiya's name being spelled wrongly. So this spelling, is very, 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 very huge, because it has to be checked, whether was this a typing mistake for the documents being typed, being sent to court, or was the document that was read to Moses Sibiya having had those errors? It's important to check on that. And there's a very high chance, that they may see that the document that was read to Moses Sibiya had these errors and probably many other. So these are the things, that can end up causing appeals to be put in place by the defense. But we all know one thing, is that judge that might not even care about this, and is just going to let it pass. But you never know, he might take this very, very seriously. But to me, this is something very, very serious. It makes me to want to check, everything that was written in those documents and any errors that are there, because this is massive. I'll catch you guys on the next one.